Hey, what is up, guys? This is a not quick, it's a detailed tutorial on how exactly to clone yourself and create AI videos of yourself to post on social media, right? So, in this particular session, this is kind of a recording of a workshop that I recently did. And in this particular video, I'll show you 5 different SOP. First SOP is how to create a viral reel script. Second SOP is how do you create your AI video clone. The third SOP is how do you create your AI voice clone. Fourth SOP is merging videos and voice together. Fifth SOP is how to edit AI videos, and towards the end I'll show you an end-to-end workflow of a single video. Alright, if you're looking for the SOPs to download for yourself, the link of all this document is in the description. So all you have to do is click the link below and check the description out and sign up to access all the SOPs that I have been teaching. All right, so now we are finally starting. Also, mind you that since this was a live masterclass, it's not like very professionally edited, but you'll get the context. If you follow the steps, you'll get the context. It's not the best quality of video that I uploaded, but I promise you this video packs a bomb of value. It will be absolutely awesome, and it will make your life a lot easier if you just follow this to the T and get your AI videos done. Okay, so forgive the quality. There was like a lot of Wi-Fi issues while I was doing this, and I was too lazy to recreate this whole video with a professional setting. But since it has a lot of value, and I did a lot of impromptu stuff that kind of will help you create good quality videos, just bear with the quality, but focus on the value. It will absolutely help you. All right, so see you in there. Hello, everyone. What is up? Good morning.
Happy morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. What up? I see so many people. You know, it always overwhelms me when like the number of people that we get. It's like so crazy. I expect like 10 people to show up, then suddenly are like 50 people. Like, this is really awesome. So I feel very lucky. Thank you very much for being here, guys. So, without any further ado, because we have a lot of work to do today, and hopefully we finish up early so that we can start working on stuff. So let me get started with the intro as people keep coming in. So you guys already know me, so I don't need to introduce myself, but I'd like to introduce you to the workshop. So first things first, this is how and why the workshop exists. My philosophy is knowledge is everywhere, but it is scattered. Most of what's on YouTube or the internet is unstructured and not easy to follow and rarely practical. How many of you agree with me? Put me in the chat box. And another thing that I believe is that knowledge is not equals to result. Yes, it gives you a lot of opportunity, but knowledge does not give you a result. And it's not knowledge, and this is not a knowledge workshop, it's an implementation workshop, because implementation of the knowledge is the thing that gives you the results, right? And this is exactly why a hands-on learning beats passive learning. When you execute in real time, like there is one thing you can do, you can watch a recording and try to do it yourself, and that rarely happens. How many of you genuinely tell me, how many of you have actually watched a course and then you have implemented it and you have finished it end to end without any distraction? Yes, let me know in the chat. What happens is, well, this is exactly why this workshop exists here. What we will do is that we will actually deploy stuff. We'll learn a very small thing and we'll learn it very well. And once we learn it very well, this becomes impossible for us to forget, so that tomorrow you don't need another course. You just need a little bit of guidance in the direction which I anyways give on this workshop. How many of you agree with me? Put me in the chat box. Yes. So my philosophy stands. Knowledge is everywhere, it's scattered. Most of the knowledge is impractical and it's not result driven, which is why you don't need more knowledge to succeed. You need more implementation to succeed. And this is exactly why we do an implementation based workshop, not a knowledge based workshop. Okay. So, what we'll be doing is we'll put a method to this madness, we'll have a structure to this action. The way we'll do every session here will be broken down into 1 hour blocks, I think I have the agenda right here. Although we'll not exactly follow the agenda, but we'll finish all the stuff. While writing the SOPs, it felt like, what? Well, we could be, this particular sequence may not be the best sequence to finish. So, anyways, we'll have certain 1 hour club blocks, just like how you see here, and we'll take breaks and everything and make sure that all the work that we do are finished. Yes. So structure this action again, one on a block, 20 to 45 minutes of guidance. It might not touch 45 minutes, actually 20 to 30 minutes of guidance. And then we will rest of the hours will actually execute, apply, and practice. We'll do practical pace, we'll take lunch breaks, take a lot of like proper breaks so that it doesn't overwhelm you. And we'll finish early. And if you finish early, that's awesome. If you don't finish early, that's awesome as well, because I'm here to help you out. Next steps, by the end of this, I am also conducting another 3-day workshop that I'll be talking about, which is like absolutely awesome. We love that. If you love this workshop, that's going to be insane for you, right? So, everybody clear with this particular format? Put quick yes in the chat box. And anyone who joined now, just read this and we'll start. Awesome. Cool. Now, there are 5 steps to actually create a video AI avatar which can run, no, which you can use to create content. All the big shots, big influencers are now going very heavy into AI videos. So there are typical 5 steps. First one is script writing. Okay, this is the SOP for that. SOP means standard operating procedures that you can follow. It's like proper step-by-step guide. The second SOP is on creating a video AI avatar. The third SOP is creating a voice avatar, which can replicate your voice. The fourth SOP is into basically merging voice and video together, which is AI video creation. SOP 5 is AI video editing. Now, this particular setup has a couple of tools. The tools used, if I have to ask, if I have to give you, we have something called as ChatGPT. How many of you know about ChatGPT? I think I'm asking a rhetoric question at this point. Okay. This is roughly $20. If you can get like the pro version, nothing like it. You can still use the free version, but the ChatGPT 5 is just insane. The next one we'll be using is called Hey Gen. It costs about $29, which gives you access to unlimited videos. Honestly, you can get a lot of those. Then we have 11 Labs. 11 Labs is which one exactly I use specifically. You can start with $5, honestly. You don't need to pay a lot, but I personally prefer this $11 per month plan. It's very low. It's not a lot of money, which is like $11 is barely 1,000 rupees, but it creates very, very professional clones of your voice. Okay. For your first month, you'll have like 50% off, so which is always good. Why? Because they have this particular plan has this thing, professional voice cloning. This is the most advanced voice cloning that I have come across. You do not need this pro plan at all. Just creator plan is super awesome. You can just use that. And then there is another tool called a submagic.co. Again, absolutely optional. But since we are doing all sorts of AI, I was like, okay, why not just do a AI video editing as well? So this is a tool that I personally use. I recommend, either $19 plan or this $39 plan. Anything works. I think this $39 plan is the best one to use. Now, if you want to do it more professionally, tomorrow you want to give it as a service. Well, this should allow you to serve up to 5 to 6 clients. No, actually, no. 11 labs multiplied by 5 ho jaga, whatever number of clients you have. But at least one client you can very easily serve. But 11 labs, if you have, but if you buy more seats, you will go ahead and get that. So total cost of this setup, again, if you want to do everything professionally, you honestly can, for the sake of this workshop, you can use this as a free version. HeyGen has a free version. 11 Lab does not have a free version, but there is a free alternative that you can use. Magic, you can have a free alternative. Iskavi. So free alternative, not there is no video AI editor, which is very good, but you might use normal video editors. And honestly, editing these videos are not a rocket science. I'll teach you all of that. For the sake of this workshop, most of the thing that you will be learning is going to be free. But if you want to do it professionally, then this might be the costing that you might be looking at. So that's like 20 plus 29 plus 11 plus 39. So that's like almost $99 per month kind of a expense that you might be bearing. But then again, I feel like this is like a pretty decent thing if at all you're doing it professionally for yourself or anyone. Because with $99, which is roughly 7 to 8,000 rupees a month, you'll have at least 15 to 16 videos ready. Like if you go ahead and hire a video editor, per video they will charge like 2,000, nothing less than that. So that's like 30,000 worth of money reduced to like 7 to 8,000. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let you know the cost first so that it doesn't surprise you. But for the sake of this workshop, I'll give you free alternatives for everything so that in this workshop you don't have to spend any money. But how many of you have Chat GPT Pro version? Just click me in the chat box if you have it. Yam has it. Farid has it. Poonam has it. Nice, beautiful. Now I want the Chat GPT one. I don't buy the Dhrubra t-shirt, which that doesn't work. I have created custom GPTs. We only work on Chat GPT, nowhere else. Yeah. Clear with this? So let's start with the first thing, the first SOP, which is creating scripts. Before we create viral videos, it's important for us to create a viral video script, not a rocket science. So let me show you how to create viral video scripts in literally 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that. So this is the SOP. For this, you need to first go ahead and search for viral videos in your topic. How many of you know how exactly to do that? By the way, this is the SOP that will be following. This is the whole thing. Let me guys share with you. Workshop document, favorite market. Now, the first thing that we'll be doing is we'll first create the scripts of this video. How do we create the script of this video? Well, we'll first do some research, right? Now, to do the research, there is something called as a production doc right here that I have built. How do you use this production doc? Go to file and make a copy. Okay. And let's say I call it giant production doc. Okay. Now, the first thing we'll do is we'll go to Instagram. Okay, this is how the Instagram looks like. Now, Instagram, there is something called explore button. I think you need to go to this one Instagram. All I get is bodybuilders. Nice. I think you need like a mobile phone Instagram. Let me open this thing up in my mobile phone. Give me like a minute. See, okay, iPhone mirroring, connect. I'll just show you my iPhone. That should be helpful. Can you guys see my iPhone? The scene here? Put quick yes in the chat box. Awesome. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go ahead and search for people in your things in your niche. Okay. Let's just remove these so that it's like clear for me and for you. Okay. Let's say the topic that we are researching on right now is I want to say digital marketing, lead generation, AI, all that shit. Let's say we talk about high ticket. Okay. In high ticket, go to something called as Reels section. In the Reels section, if you notice, there are certain videos with 1.2 million views, right? So what we will do is we'll go ahead and open one of these. And I can't hear it. Can I?
Done at home, and it's pretty much just copy and paste. So first, you're going to want to sign up for all the affiliate networks like clickbank.com.
That's not something that I want to preach. But find some video with a lot of views. handling the sleep on an objection. Let's go with
It's only 5,800 one time.
I can't say at this very moment. I know you want action takers. I can't say at this very moment. I can say yes to that. Maybe sleep on it.
honestly, like at this point, I know that this is an objection handler video, right? Right. So what we will do is we'll go ahead and copy the link of this particular video, and I will go to my main sheet, which is this one, and I'll put this one, which is the one that I just copied. Okay. Topic is objection handling, and I sleep on it. Okay. Now here we can have like a hook and everything, but it doesn't matter. What I've done is so powerful. Let's say we found like a video with a lot of views. The first thing that you need to do is go to this particular link, which is viral reel script creator GPT. This is a personal GPT that I have created. It's custom GPT. You can see Joy Jayan Padi. So here you just need to put in the topic. Now I got an inspiration. Let's say this reel, I want to replicate something like this, but not exactly like this word for word, because then people will become like a copycat. We don't want that. So I'll just dictate. I'll use this dictate feature by Chat GPT, and I will wait. Let me see. I'll have to start this. Oh, yeah. So use the dictate feature with this Chat GPT, and then give whatever you want to. Just repeat whatever you want to say. So here the objection is I'll sleep on it. Okay. Hey, I want to create like a viral Instagram reel where I show people how to handle the objection. I'll sleep on it. Okay. Now use your methodology, use your framework, use your knowledge, and give me some really good viral scripts. Okay. Now I gave it a topic. It is already very smart. You would love this. But in case you want to like, uh, you know, in case you want to explore some hooks like this, just use that. So it'll first create some reels for you. Then you can actually go ahead and put this prompt, which I added here in the SOP. As I found a reel with 1.4 million views on the hook, where using the hook where the character the phone, and from the other side customer was speaking, saying sleep on it. Create me 5 hook variation and a 60-second script for this topic. I will create me 5 hook variation like this. So what it will do is it will know that okay, this is a reel that worked the best. Yeah. And then look at this. It gives you like multiple scripts, that multiple hooks that could work. The hooks are the ones that actually go viral. You can actually go ahead and ask this GPT, hey, I'm not feeling the script. Give me 4 more variations. So what I've done is I have fed almost 1,000 Instagram reels that have gone viral to this viral reels creator GPT. It will create like multiple scripts that you can use. So the first script it created is this: I'll sleep on it. Sounds innocent, right? Here's why it's usually the code for I'm never coming back. Every salesperson had heard this line. If you don't handle it right, you lose the deal forever. Here's the trick. When somebody says, I'll sleep on it, don't argue, don't beg. Instead, say this. I get it. A lot of people feel that way. But just so I know, what's the one thing that you're still unsure about? This does two things. First, it brings a real objection to the surface. Second, it shows you are on their side, not pushing. Most times the issue isn't time, it's clarity. They don't fully see the value yet. Your job, handle the real objection, not the fake I need time excuse. The next time you hear this, remember it's not this, blah blah, whatever. Right? Now it has also given you multiple variations. Okay. This is a pretty good one. The second a client says, I'll sleep on it, the deal is dead. And if you let them walk, you're the one who killed it. Now, here's how pros do it. They first agree, I hear you. Then they ask this, and boom, real objection unlocked. So this is awesome. I like this particular reel a lot. So we'll go ahead and refine this reel a little bit. We'll remove these headlines like context. We'll remove this main value. We'll remove this CTA. Okay. And I'll copy this whole thing, go back to my reel script. Instead of final hook, let's call it final scripts. I'll paste the script right here. Okay. Now, since we are talking about, you know, since we're talking about AI audio as well, you cannot use this exact script as an audio file. Okay. For that, you need to turn it into a prompt that you can feed into an audio generator so that it sounds more human. Okay. So for that, the second step in the SOP is this 11 Labs text to speech generator. If you click here and copy this particular script that you have finalized and paste it, and add this particular prompt, which is enhance the script for 11 Labs voiceover, add natural pauses, rhythm markers, and emotional emphasis. It will create a very awesome text to speech prompt, which looks like a code. Like, look how cool is this looks, right? This is like a proper code and stuff. So copy this part and go here and paste the code right here. Okay. You can add some notes about the filming ideas, the status of this project, and everything, but this should do the job. Okay. So the first level, what we have done is we have researched on a topic, we have created like a final script, and we created a TTS enhanced script. What is TTS? TTS means text to speech. Got it? So this particular prompt is, which looks like full on code and everything. Here it gives you what percent of what should be the rate of the speech, how much pause should we add for more emphasis, which word should we emphasize on so that it sounds very strong. It's a nice prompt that is specifically used for voice AI agents or voice AI tools. Final script is for your reference. Yes. Did you guys get it? Should I like repeat this one more time so that it just sets in your head and everybody can do it with me? Who wants me to repeat this step? Put repeat in the chat box. Lovely. Absolutely awesome. So let's do that again. So first step, research. How do you research? Well, I'll open up my real script again. Find some topic in your niche. Let's say business. Okay. And we'll go to reels and pick a topic, pick a reel which has already hit like a million views. Okay. Let's start with this 1 lakh rupees in 30 days. Let's see this.
With nothing figured out. And within 30 days, I made 1 lakh by selling homemade chocolates on the streets of Bangalore. No branding, no design, just hustle.
I don't like it.
What is the difference between a business and a brand? A business focuses.
Oh, you can't see my screen? Give me a minute. I think you can see it now, right? This one. Again, I'll repeat the step. In your Instagram thing, in your Instagram, go to explore page. And then here, search for whatever you want to talk about. Let's say I want to talk about business. I'll go to the Reels section. I'll pick a topic. Again, you don't have to do heavy research. Just pick a topic which has over 1 million views. That's it. Let's say business mindset.
एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन बनना है तो इन 3 YouTube वीडियोस को बिल्कुल भी
I don't like it. Let's see this.
Watch this. I'm helping my friend. He's 17. He wants to start a business. His whole goal is to become a millionaire in the next 12 months. And he wants to do it building an AI automation agency, but he doesn't know where to start. Can you create a detailed plan for me to execute?
Absolutely.
Okay. Good topic. Again, I'm not stealing the way he is doing it. I'm just stealing the topic. Cool? Because the topic went viral. So what we will do is, oh shit, well, let me just copy that link first so that I can take inspiration from it.
Here's a high-level plan he can.
So we'll click on this button, copy this, and go back to our main sheet. Now this copy and paste feature is only available for Mac and iPhone users. In case you struggle to do it, just do it from your phone, paste it on your WhatsApp or something. Here the topic is um, game plan for building AI automation business. Yeah, this is the reel that we are talking about. Now we'll use the topic, go back to the first GPT in the SOP, which is viral reel script creator, and just use your voice and put like in the dictate mode, or if you want to type the thing out, you can type the thing out. I prefer dictation. I go to dictate and say things like this: I want to create a reel on how to build an AI automation business. It should be a breakdown. It's like literally a business breakdown. It should talk about which kind of niches to target, what's the business problem we are solving, how do you generate leads, and how do you close the deal. Give me like a proper script around this. Use one of your viral hooks and create like a proper script on this. Now it will go ahead and create the script on you. Now, if you are a little bit fancy, you can go ahead and search for more hooks. You can ask it to give you more hooks so that like it could work. Oh, it gave you 3 hook option already. Nice. Nobody talk about this, but this it changes everything. Building an AI agent the right way. The truth about starting an AI automation agency, nobody wants to hear. The decision that made my AI business, 10x easier. Beautiful. I can ask for more hooks. Give me 10 more hooks. Make them punchy. Hooks are everything in this thing. Oh, this is good. If you're starting an AI agency, if you think starting an AI agency about coding, you're wrong. Oh, this is good. How I would start a AI business today if I had $0. So I'll keep that. That's a good hook. And then we can use this context. And then main value and copy. Again, don't copy the header, just the body part. And then CTA, this is a blueprint, blah, blah, whatever. Okay. Now come here and paste it right below final script. Okay. Till this point, it's clear how you go ahead and make a topic. Let me know. Clear, guys? Awesome. Now copy this, go to the next step in the SOP, which is text to speech enhancer. In this text to speech enhancer, just paste that particular script that you just created. Okay. Now hit enter, and it will create like this codish form of prompt which you will be using for your voice AI, not agent, but it's a voice AI tool, which is 11 labs in this particular case. Oh, I did not add a prompt. I'm so sorry. Wait. I'll have to do it again. So paste the script, and there is this prompt which is enhance the script for 11 labs voiceover. This part. Okay. Hit enter. Now it will create the whole 11 labs optimized script for you. What you will need to do, copy this, go to your real script production doc, paste it right here. Okay. That's all you have to do. That's the first step. Everybody can do it. Can you guys create at least 3 reel script this way? How can we do it for Hindi script? AI voice is not so good. Omkar, we have not yet come to AI voice generation. Why are you worrying about things that have not happened yet? Create Hindi script. It's fine. We'll come to that. I'll show you how to create fantastic Hindi scripts. Trust me on that. But abhi ke liye, create your scripts. Cool? Cool. Now, again, if you are looking for Hindi script, it's super easy. Hey, help me create a Instagram viral scripts for a topic. Let's say this topic is everybody is drinking coffee wrong, and here's the right way to make the best mochaccino. Okay, now this should be in English, not in English, not in Hindi. It should be in English. Okay, there you go. Omkar, observe it. Boom. Your creativity is your only limitation, guys. There you go. अगर तुम भी कॉफी ऐसे बनाते हो तो तुम गलत हो. Look at that thing. So good. Now go back to this. Now copy one of this. Copy the main value. CTA. There you go. Copy the whole thing. Go back to 11 labs generator. Hit enter or that prompt. I didn't add the prompt, but now it starts copying this. Yeah. And whoever says a Hindi text is not good, they are wrong. They don't know how to use AI. Again, go to SOP number 1 in this particular video, in this particular doc. The doc is shared in your WhatsApp group and in the chat below. All you have to do is follow the steps and create at least 3 scripts in your reel production doc. Where is the reel production doc? Is right here. Okay. So I'll just copy and make like a, tools used here. Production doc, and then viral we create a GPT, and then 11 labs speech enhancer GPT. Make sure that you make a copy of production doc. I going to file, make a copy. Okay. Just do this, and I want at least 3 scripts to be created by 11 p.m. Okay. You can do 3 scripts, guys, by 11 a.m. And also, I have given you 30 detailed viral script prompts in case you get stuck. This is a bonus that I promised. Okay. So, can we do 3 by 11? Awesome. Not a rocket science, right? So, what I'll do is, let's turn off our cameras, meet back at 11 a.m. Okay. In this section, I will show you how exactly to create a video avatar of yourself so that it talks like you and looks like you, right? So for this one, oh wait, heygen.com. We'll go to this particular website called as heygen.com. So let me just show you. I'll go to my Heygen account. Just log in from here. I forgot my email ID and password. I'll just log in through. There you go. Now in Heygen, there are a lot of like plans. Like there is something called the creator plan. This is what I recommend everybody to go for. I don't know why it's not letting me click. How do I share? Anyways, I'll just share the link of this Heygen. If you sign up, I get some credits. So click on that to sign up if you want. Right. There is something called the creator plan. So let me just search for Heygen pricing. Okay, I'll just show you this creator plan, how this one works. So this $29 per month, you get unlimited videos. That's what I like. Though for the sake of this workshop, you can go with 3 videos per month. Okay, it'll give you a little bit lower quality, but here you get the highest quality there. Okay. Here it gives you a custom video avatar. What is a custom avatar? On the left, if you go here, you'll find something called as avatar here. Now you see this avatar, this is mine. This is only Jayant. Okay. And there are video avatar and there are, or image avatar as well. It's $29. You can find one. If you want, you can create more avatars. For every avatar, you'll need to pay $29. If you're doing it professionally, obviously that's something you can use. This is my avatar, this is the main avatar, which is like video avatar. So when it says avatar, it means videos and images. Images you can create as many as you want. Like I have created something called as Apsara and Devi. I was trying to create like an AI influencer sort of a thing. It kind of worked, but it also didn't work. It was like not the best. But this one is the video editor, which is hyper realistic. Okay. What we'll be needing is this particular video avatar. Okay. So how do you do this? Well, you need to come to Agent and click on add a new look. We'll go ahead and click on add a new look here. Or you know what? I'll just sign up using a different account so that it's easy for you to understand. Let me just sign up using, let's say, Geology account. Okay. Now here, once you log in, this is a free account. Okay. Again, we'll not go for anything. We'll just choose free. Preferred language, I think English is fine. Personal, continue. Hobbyist, continue. Marketing video, submit, doesn't matter, whatever you put. Okay. Now here, once you come to this agent dashboard, go to the avatar section. You see there are no avatars at this point. Okay. You can click on this plus button on the left right here next to avatar, or this digital twin. This is also fine. Just click anything. Now here it will show up like this. Right? Now all you need to do is follow the instructions and we'll have a avatar ready for us in seconds. So click on get started. Now it says what kind of equipment you want. It requests you, it suggests you to submit at least 2 to 5 minutes of you talking to the camera, at least 30 seconds of unedited footage. It should not be edited. With a professional camera or a smartphone, honestly, this professional camera or smartphone is not required. It's mainly what you need is a decent smartphone with good looking lighting and everything. Just have a good decent lighting where your face and everything is visible properly, not something like this. That's it. Okay. Now it also creates oh, it's asking for upgradation, but okay, we'll just use this. You go to next, and here you can either go ahead and upload like a video of yours, or you can just upload via webcam or phone, whatever works for you. Okay. I'll go ahead and turn on my cam and mic, and I'll upload a video from my computer itself. Okay. I'll turn on my cam and mic just for the sake of this. Okay. So I'll use my phone as like the main camera right here. Right. I'll put it across. Again, you don't have to do this. This is totally optional. Okay. Now there you go. This is my camera right here. You can go ahead and see if you want to do like a portrait thing, it will create like a portrait like this. If you want to keep it like landscape, you can select landscape, and this is how it will look like a proper landscape video. I'll go for portrait mode because this will be creating reels. So this is how it will look like. Now, honestly, you can speak gibberish. Totally up to you. What do you want to speak here? Okay. So what we will do is I'll just speak for a minute or so, and it can be absolutely gibberish. It doesn't have to be, I mean, not gibberish, just speak English so that it understands your voice. So click on record right here. Okay. So we'll go freestyle. You can also click on need a script if you want to read from a script. I'll go freestyle. Okay. I'll talk directly to the camera and talk whatever thoughts that come to my mind. Okay. Again, it don't have to be perfect. It just has to be okay, because what it will do is it'll keep your face, this part intact. It will keep your face intact. This lip movement changes. That's about it. So what we'll do is I'll click on record and start a recording. Hi, my name is Jayant, and this is me shooting a quick video for HeyGen so that we go ahead and create an AI avatar of mine. And through this AI avatar, I'm going to publish a lot of good content. These contents will be used in Instagram and YouTube. I'll be sharing a lot of knowledge, a lot of value that could help a lot of people in building successful businesses and generating leads and sales on command. Now, obviously, as per HeyGen, I need to shoot at least a 30-second video clip. I think we did shoot like a 30-second video clip, but I will keep going on for at least a minute so that what happens is they have enough amount of footage for the kind of reels that we create. Even if it's a 1 minute reel, it can create 1 minute reels. Even if it is a 30-second reel, it can create a 30-second reels. And I hope my head movements, my lip movements, my expression of my hands does not hamper the lead quality. There we go. We just crossed a minute. All I have to do is now stop recording. That's it, right? Oh, yeah. This is how you just have to ramble, nothing else. Now, select these options. I think this is a good key, normalize volume of my audio. Let's just see, listen to this, how this sounds like. Hi, my name is Jayant, and this is me shooting a quick video for HeyGen so that we go ahead and create an AI avatar of mine. It looks nice. So I'll go and click on next. Now, this is something that you need to speak, which is like, it's like a verification sort of a thing. It's like a consent that you give. It says, I, Jayant Kumar Padi, hereby allow HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar for use on the HeyGen platform. You'll need a read a brief passcode at the end, just so that they know that this is me. I'm not uploading somebody else's video, and I'm not trying to create those, what they say, some fake clones and create like some controversial videos around them. So that's it, right? So I'll click on start recording, and then I'll just go ahead and start this. I, Jayant Kumar Padi, hereby allow HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar for use on the HeyGen platform. For safety purposes, this is the passcode ZHHV. You do that, and it takes like 10 to 20 seconds to validate that whatever you have said. And let it finish. There you go. The consent is validated. Now all you have to do, it says at least 2 minutes of footage. Fuck it, I don't care. There you go. Honestly, 1 minute of footage is more than enough. They say 2 minutes is needed. You don't need it. What do you want to name your avatar? We would say AI Chant. I'll name my avatar AI Chant, and I hit enter and I hit continue. That's it. Again, these avatars are private. These are not public avatars, right? So AI Jayant is ready. Now we can go ahead and create more avatars or more such videos from here on. Okay. Clear till this point? Now, I'll show you this. You can go ahead and create an avatar right here. For example, if I, oh, it's not ready yet. We'll have to get it ready. So let it get ready. I'll show you how the normal HeyGen video looks like and what's wrong with this. Why do we even need 11 labs to begin with, right? So let it finish creating this avatar, and then I'll show you how the normal HeyGen thing looks like, and a quick hack to avoid 11 labs charges. If you don't want to use 11 labs, what's the alternative? Well, it's a little bit of manual thing, but not impossible to use. And this is it. You just have to shoot like 1 minutes worth of footages one at a time. And I think you are pretty much good to go. I think it should be ready. 64%. Let me refresh this. Okay, perfect. We're good. It's verified and all. Now we'll go ahead and.
Hey, Jayant Kumarpati, your
Can you hear the weird voice?
digital twin is ready. Try.
So bad. Now, let me show you. If I go ahead and create it in AI Studio in the portrait mode, let me show you what happens if you add like. Why is it showing? Okay. Let me show you how it looks like if you add a script. So let's say we take, I don't think enhanced script works in HeyGen, but let's see. Okay. So it will automatically take whatever voice.
The second a client says, I'll sleep on it, the deal is dead. And if
It sounds very weird, right? Doesn't sound like me. How many of you agree with me? It might have a good, it might look great, but the sound itself is not good, right? So what do we do in this particular case? Either we record our own voice. You do that by simply going ahead and shooting, not recording your own voice from here, which is if you go to audio, you can record your audio and start recording from here itself. Let me go ahead and do that in a normal fashion, right? I'll go click here. The second a client says, I'll sleep on it, the deal is dead. And if you let him walk, you're the one who killed it. Now, here's how pros do it. They agree first. They say, I hear you. Then they ask, what exactly do you need to feel 100% sure right now? Boom, the real objection unlocked. You either fixed it or you know it's not a fit. So stop chasing maybes. Handle it in the room. Boom, there you go. You can upload your own video, a voiceover like this, and it will sync up with the AI so that the AI starts talking. Now, the problem is I'm a very lazy dude. I don't even want to do that. And this is why I even cloned my voice and my accent. Okay. I'll first show you how this video voice looks. I'll click on generate. And why does it say upgrade? Video is longer than 15 seconds. Holy shit, they have all of these restrictions. I'll go back to my paid account and I'll use that. 15 seconds is the limit they're giving. Huh? I didn't know. This limit was not there last time I checked. Let me just do it on my paid account. So just for the sake of this workshop, you guys can go ahead and upload like a 15-second video in this particular case. But in a paid account, you do the same thing. You go to avatars, you find the hyper realistic one, and you can go ahead and use any one of the avatar. For me, I used this one. This is a pretty good avatar. Let's go ahead and use this.
Introducing Avatar 4 for digital.
Okay. So I'll go ahead and upload my voice. The second a client says, I'll sleep on it, the deal is dead. And if you let them walk, you're the one who killed it. Here's how professionals do it. They say, they agree first. They say, I hear you. Then they ask, what exactly do you need to feel 100% sure right now? Boom. Real objection unlocked. You either fix it or you know it's not a fit. Stop chasing maybes. Handle it in the room. There you go. Now I'll add the audio. Then we call it, let's say, V1 and click on generate right here. Boom, submit. There you go. Okay. I also tested image to video. These are pretty good, but you can wait for it and see how this looks like. Now, task for you guys. Okay. Your task right now is not even to create a video like this. I just showed you how to create a video, but your task primarily is go to SOP number 2 and don't like the get paid plan, for the sake of this workshop, use free plan. Okay. And basically create an avatar, just like how I showed you. You guys can do it? Let me know in the chat. How many of you can do it? Awesome. So, it might take a while to finish this. So it's 11:22 a.m. You get time till 12 p.m. and I want you to simply create an avatar. Use the free version. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to the paid version. Totally up to you. Okay. But create an avatar right now. And then we'll go and create a professional voice clone with 11 labs. And then we'll merge them together. I'll show you how that works. Okay. So let's take a break till 12 p.m. and circle back and learn this together. All right. After we created the video avatar, the next thing that we need to build is the voice of us, right? So normally the Hagen voice I showed you, if you don't want to use 11 labs and that additional $11, $12 or $22, whatever, if you don't want to use that, then you can use your own voice. Many times what I do is I record it from my smartphone, I upload it to Hagen, and then it kind of syncs up the face and mouth. So after I've created the Hagen avatar, this is how it will look like. Let me show you the whole finalized version with my voice, like my recorded voice. Okay, let's play this. The second a client says, I'll sleep on it, the deal is dead. And if you let them walk, you're the one who killed it. Here's how professionals do it. They agree first. They say, I hear you. Then they ask, what exactly do you need to feel 100% sure right now? Boom. Real objection unlocked. You either fix it or you know it's not a fit. Stop chasing maybes. Handle it in the room. See how cool that is? I love how accurately it creates it nowadays, right? So Rajiv is saying, please try to explain step by step rather than doing it and showing. Rajiv, that's why we have an SOP. So follow the SOP, you'll get there. That's the whole point, right? So yeah, that's why I created the whole proper SOP step by step plans here. Just follow these, you'll be there. Okay. So that's why there is no point of me trying to give you a step by step guidance now. The point was to show you how it looks like. Now, next part is creating a professional voice clone. To create a professional voice clone, for now, there is no better model than 11 labs. So let me go to 11labs.io. This is the place that we need to go. Okay. Again, here you just need to log in. Okay. Now it has a free version. It has a $5 version. It has that $11 version. I think $11 is pretty cheap. I would recommend going with that. And then it becomes $22 from the second month. But at least for the first month, you can generate a lot of speeches, right? Now, if you go to voices, okay, and here you get like a lot of voices that are already there. And there is something plus create or clone a voice. Okay, if I click on this, there are a couple of these, which is voice design new for V3. You can design your own voice, like you can create like a fake voice of your own, or you can do an instant voice clone where you upload like a 10 seconds or 20 seconds audio and it will be done. So how you do it with instant voice clone is this. Okay, let me click on record audio. Hey, my name is Giant. Okay, sorry. One. Hey, my name is Jayant, and in this particular recording, I'm trying to show people how exactly to create an instant voice clone in HeyGen. No, in 11 Labs, and this will serve its purpose by creating something that sounds exactly like me, hopefully with my accent. But I know for a fact that it does not capture my accent, but it does like a decent job in finding my voice. So hopefully this works, and let's see how this goes. There you go. 30 seconds done. Now click on next. Put some information there and you can see how this will look like. Now I'm not asking you to do this, okay? This is one way. The better way is something that I'll show you. So let's say we say JP instant voice clone IVC, I would say. Okay. And then language you can put in, which can say Hindi, let's say. I don't know if you want to do Hindi or you can do English, totally up to you. I can add label. What should be the accent? I want it to be an Indian accent. What should be the gender? This is a male. What should be age? Age is, am I young or am I middle aged? What is young and what is middle aged, guys? I have no idea. Wait, let's say middle age. Middle age. Oh, 45 to 65. Till 35, I'm young. Really? I have been proudly calling myself an adult. Sad. This is a voice clone of Giant. Oh. Now, this one is available in the $5 version. Okay. I'll show you how this looks like. Save it. Okay. Now we can go ahead and generate scripts and let's see how this sounds like. Okay. When you click on generate scripts.
11 Labs की सबसे सफल.
Oh, what is that? Give me a minute. Now what we'll do is I'll go to my voice here. And I'll see JPIVC. This is the one, right? We can
The rainbow teaches us about diversity.
Yuck. Now here you can go to this particular A button. You can click on use voice. It goes here. And then we'll go back to the real thing that we created and we'll copy the enhanced TTS script. Okay, for the second one, the AI game plan one. Now you paste this, the enhanced one, and let's generate script and see how this one functions.
So how I'd start in business today if I had $0. AI agencies are exploding right now, but most people have no.
So horrible. By the way, 11 Labs also has something called as V3. V3 is a little bit the most advanced version. You can try this and let's see how this sounds like. I hope it creates an Indian accent.
How I'd start business today if I had $0. AI agencies are exploding right now, but most people have no clue where to start. Let me break it down step by step so you don't waste months.
Sounds much better, but not quite, right? It doesn't sound like me. What do you guys think? It has a different voice altogether. I don't think I mean, people who don't know me may not be able to figure out the difference, but people who are close to me, I think they can like completely figure out. Plus, the accent is not mine. Does this guy sound like how I speak? Really?
Guessing. Step 1, pick the right niche.
I mean, it has the same voice or similar voice, but not quite that feeling yet, right? All right. So this is why. So I wanted to show the instant voice clone, and this is the problem with instant voice clone. The reason why I went for the $22 plan instead of the $5 plan. Okay. Now I cannot show you. I wish I can show you it. Let me see. This is my voice. Do history? No. This Giant's voice is the one that I created. Let me just see if I can redo that whole thing. What the hell? Or you can create a new account, but then again, it takes like 2 hours worth of work. Oh, okay. I'll download these recordings for myself. And I'll delete this voice and I'll add a new voice for you. Okay? Or I'll just show you here how it's done. So the second kind of voice cloning is called the professional voice cloning. Now, to show you how crazy it is, let me show you an example. Then I'll show you how to clone your voice with professional voice cloning. Okay, I'll click on use voice here again so that it goes to that same thing. And now I'll generate speech with V2, the old one, not the latest one. Okay, let me generate speech.
How I'd start a business today if I had $0. AI agencies are exploding right now, but most people have no clue where to start.
How cool is that? Does this sound like me, guys? I think that has exactly has copied my accent as well. It's like so good.
Let me break it down step by step so you don't waste months guessing.
Yeah, this is like so good. Now, as opposed to instant voice clone, this one does not need 30 seconds of voice. This one needs more than 1 hour of voice. So you'll have to ramble like a crazy person for 1 hour, and then it creates like a decent voice. So let me show you how to create one. You go to voices and obviously go to my voices, and here you can create or clone voice. Now I am out of credits, so if you click on professional voice, it will pretty much ask you to do that. Let me see if I can subscribe to the business tier or something. Oh, business tier is $1,100 per month. इतना पैसा नहीं है हमारे पास देने के लिए. Pro tier में at least how many do they give us? Professional voice cloning. Oh, only one professional voice cloning until business tier. Holy shit. This is too much money. I don't have that much money. I don't want to spend that much money. All right. Anyways, so what you need to do? Either I can delete this and show you. Did I download everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many of these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay. I'll delete this and I'll recreate this. Okay, to show you how professional voice cloning is done. Again, if you do not want to like create like, if you don't want to pay for 11 labs, the simpler method is use your voice and just record the video, record the audio and upload it to Hagen, or use 11 labs like this. Now let me show you how to create this professional voice clone. Click on create or clone voice, go to professional voice clone and click on create new clone. And it gives you some options like you should have like a proper mic, have a pop filter, blah blah. They do help. They do help. So I have purchased a specific mic. I'll show you which mic I purchased for this. It's this mic. I'll just show you here. It's crazy good. It's like a simple Bluetooth mic. I'll show you which is company. This is a Digitex Bluetooth mic. It's if you have Swiggy, Instamart, or Blinkit, usually you can find this as well. I got it from Swiggy, but you can find it on Amazon if you want. Let me show you which one exactly. The Digitech mic wireless. I'll show you. It's not something like this, like not very fancy, like either this one this is the one that I bought, 999, and then or this one, whatever works for you. Just a normal Bluetooth mic is fine for this, but make sure that you are in a room which does not have a lot of noise, outside traffic or anything. Or if you have a lot of noise, a good hack around this, take like 2 pillows like this, have like 2 pillows while you are recording. I know it's a weird setup, but they do damp a lot of noise so that your voice sounds like really crisp and professional. Okay. I'm giving you all the hacks, or just invest in a great podcast mic and they are good. You know? Podcast mic. Just get one of these. If you have a little bit of budget, then it's good. Now I'll just click on create a new clone. Okay. Now here you can either upload your samples. I have downloaded everything, you can upload all of this, or you can record yourself. If you want to record yourself, make sure that you have a good mic setup. Okay. And here you can choose any script. It gives you any and all script. Like let's say in English, you select conversational. It gives you a script. When you click on start recording, you just have to read all of this. Like, let me tell you about this absolutely wild thing that happened at my local library last week. Then you have to like kind of do the whole thing. Okay. Now I have already done that. So I'll upload all my recordings. First, I'll change it to Giant Professional Voice Clone. You can do English, you can do Hindi, totally up to you. It's my own voice. Honestly, it doesn't matter. I'll do the same thing. Accent should be Indian, and gender is male. Age is young. Okay. Can I just add middle-aged? I don't know. I like to have a middle-aged voice. All right. Now I'll select all these recordings that I already created long back. And I did nothing. I just that upload samples may record yourself may I just clicked on record new sample and choose a script, go to English. I think you can go to conversational, and here in the microphone I'll select my iPhone microphone because that doesn't have any charge, so I'll just read through this. I'll do it for like a minute or so because I have already done this, just so you know how it looks like. I'll click on start recording. Which microphone am I using? All right. Let's start again. Yeah, it's iPhone microphone. Got it. Let me tell you this absolutely wild thing that happened at my local library last week. So, like, I'm there looking for this obscure book about urban legends, right? And I stumble into this hidden reading room I never knew existed. And I mean, it's filled with these ancient looking maps and weird artifacts. But here's the thing, turns out this is the secret club for people who investigate unexplained mysteries in the city. They have been meeting there for decades, documenting everything from mysterious sounds in the subway tunnels to unexplained lights over the park. I mean, these people are totally serious about it too. They have got spreadsheets, surveillance equipment, the whole deal. And the librarian who showed me around, she's been running this thing since the 80s. But yeah, now I'm kind of hooked. Like, spent 3 hours last night cataloging reports of spontaneous music coming from empty buildings. You pretty much do that for all the scripts. So it's like a very big script. Now it gets uploaded. Okay. It gets uploaded like this. And then you hit next. Better if you could do like a full 3 hour recording. Okay. Now it just like Heygen, it will verify your voice. Why it will verify your voice is because, well, what if you are scamming people, right? So I'll just record and read whatever is available on the screen. A farmer plants each seed like a piece of puzzle, tilling the land for life's picture to emerge. Now, the only problem with this particular professional voice clone is that it takes about 2 to 6 hours to complete. A very, very long time it takes. It's annoying. It was really, really annoying to use this because I recorded it in the night. In the morning also it was going on. Then by afternoon it was done. But good part about this professional voice clone can be used for any language. It can be used for Hindi, it can be used for Tamil, it can be used for Odia. Like honestly, it doesn't even matter what you say. Like if it is on the script, it will say it in the way that you want. Okay. How do you do it? You don't clone it. Just go to HeyGen Audio and then record it yourself. Alternatively, what you can do is, let me go to my 11 labs. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you this, which is, where is that last? Let's check my voice history. Yeah, this should be good. Okay, this one we created, right?
How I'd start a business today if I had $0. AI agencies are
This is the one that I
exploding.
want. So I'll first download this voice as MP3 or WAV, anything works. I'll go with MP3 because they are smaller in size. Go to HeyGen, whichever you want to use. This is the actor that I want to use. Here, you click on audio and select upload audio. In the upload audio, just drag and drop that file that you got from 11 labs. इसके बाद I'll show you like an end-to-end workflow. Then add audio. Okay, it takes like a minute. There you go. Then hit generate, call it something, and why is it avatar IV time? What is it talking about? Why are we using avatar IV? Oh, Avatar Eye Motion Engine is the one that you can use. It has a little bit more accuracy. That's about it. I'll just use the normal one. Avatar IV is another feature that they have launched. It's like slightly more advanced. It's very accurate. Okay. Let's just wait for it. It's raining cats and dogs at my place. So basically, it will take its own time and go ahead and build like a, it'll build like a AI voice clone like this. But this particular video will be like this is basically created without my involvement. Yeah. Now let me show you how exactly to edit these. Okay. We use this particular tool called as submagic.co for editing. Now there are so many other tools like opus.clip. There is something nowadays called as, I forgot the name of that tool, Gling AI. Opus.clip is extremely good. We can use that as well, or you can use Submagic as well. I preferred Submagic because it's been a while that I've been using, so I was very comfortable with this. But there is this other tool which is opus.pro, not opus.clip. You can use this as well, because pricing is actually fairly similar to what these guys are using. Yeah. So here it is $15 per month. Here it's $29 per month. If you go with HeyGen, this is $12 per month, which is $19 per month, and pretty much the same thing, right? And yeah, here it says 150 credits, but 150 credits you can only create 15 videos, very close to each other. So I'll show you how Submagic works. Let me edit an actual video and I'll show you how this one works. Okay. Now, what I would suggest you guys is create 3 free. You can create up to 3 free videos, right? How many of you have created your own videos with HeyGen? Quick me in the chat box. The 3 free videos that you got in HeyGen. Quick me in the chat box, guys. You guys listening or like what's the scene? Hello. Yeah. Okay. I am says me. Did too, but it isn't good to be shared here. It doesn't have to be shared anywhere. See, the purpose of this workshop is if you try it once, make a bad video. Do you think my first ever video was good? No, it was horrible, right? But if you just do it once, you know what are the loops and where exactly things go wrong. Okay. You can like when the third time, fourth time you do it, what happens is you're more comfortable with the tool. Are you guys more comfortable with this whole process now as compared to before this workshop? Let me know quickly in the chat box. Yeah, that's the whole point. You could have watched a YouTube video and did nothing. Now at least you're doing it. The whole point is even if it's a horrible one, do it. It's fine. Okay. Now I'll show you some magic, how to edit these videos so that they look professional. Okay. So I'll go ahead and log into my account. And here you can see I've done a lot of these. Now, what you do is you go ahead and create a project. You can either clip videos, long form to short form, eye contact, and anything. We will use generate caption. This is the main one that we'll be using. And here you can upload the video that you created. So I created that video of that retention manufacturer guy. Okay. Now, translate caption is not needed. If you look at presets, okay, this is only for pro version. So click on generate captions. What this will do, it will upload the whole video to Submagic. Let it upload, finish uploading. It's in the free version, so it's only for 15 seconds. It's okay. Tomorrow when you go for a paid version, you can like go ahead and, well, you can obviously use a longer form video. You can actually create very long form videos as well with this. Okay. This is Submagic AI. इसके बाद I'll show you a free video editor that I personally use, although that is not as good as Submagic, but it gets the job done. Not technically free, they charge some 2,000 rupees for a year or 4,000 rupees per year. So it was pretty cheap. I use that. So you can select the one that you like. Let's say this dog one I like a lot. And let's play.
Attention manufacturers. If you are sick and tired of not having a complete clarity of where your business is heading, you might need this. This is a complete business dashboard where you can have everything that's running in your business in one.
Okay, now it says single pick. I need to change it to single page. That looks exactly like this. Yeah, it is a slower network. I'm so sorry, Randir, because I have a power cut. Okay, I don't know if I can use this. Am I audible now? Let me know in the chat. Okay, perfect. So I changed my network and my Wi-Fi. Okay. So here what you do on the edit caption side, you can edit if there are any spelling mistakes in the captions. Cache report literally saved. Okay. Perfect. Now it looks kind of okay. Okay. And in the B-roll section, it can actually, oops, sorry, what happened? Internet issue. Did my internet lag again? I'll edit this part. Okay, I'll edit it again. I'll edit from here. Turn off the AC now. Am I back yet? Let me know in the chat. Am I audible, visible? Yep. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So sorry guys about this internet issue. You might have to finish early in that case. So anyways, we were here. We were editing captions. I think we did this. Okay. You save all the spelling errors. Yeah. Okay. And then once you are happy, you can save it right here on the top. Once you're saved, you can go to B-roll. Now, B-roll is where you can add some additional videos, like let's say those, additional videos on top of your existing ones. Okay. So right now it's just a caption of this video, right? Nothing else. So let's just play it.
Attention manufacturers. If you are sick and tired of not having a complete clarity of where your business is heading, you might need this.
So where it says this is a complete business dashboard, right? So this is where you can split into a new scene. And at this point, we can add like a dashboard, like another picture, which can be used as a specific B-roll. In our case, I have not downloaded it, but you can download another video. Let's say in here case, in this particular case, we can search for business dashboard. And you can find this dashboard. You can find a lot of the stock images that could be used. If you have a real video, you can use that as well. Oh, let's see.
This is a complete business.
Now, this is obviously not the kind of image that I would use. I would actually use the proper footage that I used like in the main ad. But this is one, let's say monthly sales chart. This can be used. Okay. Opportunity dashboard. I can use, let's say this one. Okay. So you can add these B-rolls so that they look very natural. And once you're good,
you can have a monthly sales projection that looks exactly like this, an opportunity dashboard which looks exactly like this, which gives you a complete idea of where the money is coming from.
Right? Once it is done, you save it and you export it. Okay? Just give me a minute. Now this will export the video and we'll have an edited video with you, right? Now, a lot of you guys have created that AI video, right? I don't care how ugly it is, but you have created one video, right? So what I want you guys to do is go to submagic.co and you can edit 3 videos for absolutely free. So the one that you created with HeyGen, can you guys go ahead and go to Submagic and edit that particular video? Let me know. Quick yes or no in the chat. And the SOP for that is SOP number 5. Okay. Let's finish this. And I think we're pretty much good to go. Vivek says yes. What about the rest of you? Can you guys edit this? Let me know in the chat. use Submagic. Again, 3 videos are absolutely for free. The same 3 videos that you created in HeyGen, do it with Submagic. Okay. So we'll take almost like a 1 hour break, which should be till 2:30, because I know this will take a little bit of time testing things around, and I wait for my power to come back. Let's meet at 2:30 and I'll show you the end-to-end video creation process once, so that you know and it registers in your mind how exactly this whole thing gets cleared. Okay. Let's meet back at 2:30 and then we'll do a complete recap. Cool. So what I'll do, guys, I'll show you my end-to-end workflow. Let's say right from the script creation, okay, to the editing part of a particular video. Okay. So what I'll do is, let me show you from scratch to finish. The first step that we do, like I mentioned, is script writing. So for that, we need to go ahead and create a viral reel script first. Okay. So let's go ahead and find like a reel that we can create. All I get is either bodybuilding or we got like beagles. What should I? Let's search for an AI sort of video. Do one in finance industry. Give me a finance influencer, no? Who is a good finance? The credit card guy. Okay, that's the good. Yeah, that credit card guy. He talks about a lot of credit card stuff. So let's listen to one of his recordings. So this one got 8.1 million. How to get 20% return on wedding expenses. Although it's a lot of information packed videos. Let's do. I'll just go with this.
Do you know how much?
Hey, why do you look so stressed? What happened?
Being a girl is just so difficult. Do you know how much it costs to manage your skincare, hair care, makeup? It's all so expensive.
What's so expensive? What do you need?
It costs RX Nail Mucin Serum, Olaplex Hair Perfector and Oil Duo, MAC Maximal Lipstick, Tear Cushion Foundation, and Huda Icy Nudes Palette.
Wait, stop. I don't even know what half of that is, but I can get you the best deal.
Yeah, right. I don't want to listen to your credit card hack nonsense.
It's not that. Just
forget.
Hey, why do you look so stressed?
Yeah, let's go this.
The amount of money in this Sharan is in fucking insane. There's a guy in our team who makes $1 million a year making 30-second video ads for brands, all done end-to-end using AI. Something that was taking production companies crores could be done for a lakh today. You know, I have people who I know who have built micro apps, bro. You know what the app does? If you upload an image, any AI image, it adds a human-like texture to your skin. That's all the app does. The guy makes $30,000 a month just selling that app because a lot of companies want to solve that specific problem of AI.
Nice. That's a good one. So let's go to viral reel creator. I just pasted the caption. Let it create like a. I'm not surprised, honestly. It is possible. Nobody talks about this, but this. Okay, so this is a good hook. Nobody talks about this, but AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams, expensive studios, or years of coding. Right now, solo creators are using AI to build businesses that would have needed millions to start with. A friend of mine, I'll start with this. कितना बढ़िया स्क्रिप्ट बनाता है. And mine, he makes $1 million a year selling 30-second ads. But here's the twist: every ad is AI generated, and every adds AI generated end-to-end. Another built a tiny app that adds realistic skin texture to photos. Simple idea, 30,000 a month. What does this show? You don't need to build like the next Facebook. You just need a small problem plus the right AI tool. So now the picks and shovels are AI apps and anyone can use them. Beautiful. This is a very good script. Now, this is the viral reel script. Step number 1. Okay. Step number 2, speech enhancer, text to speech enhancer. So let's go ahead and create like a new script, like the 11 lab script. Okay. Now it gives us the whole pitch here. Now copy this, go to 11 labs. Because I'm too lazy to record my own stuff, I'll remove all the distractions. Okay. We'll log in. And then again, text to speech. We'll paste it here. Oh, Jan's PVC is ready to use. Fantastic. Okay, we'll use Jan's PVC. Oh, where is Jan's PVC? Let me go to my voices. We'll use this. Okay, and we'll generate speech.
Nobody talks about this. But AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams, expensive studios, or years of coding. Right now, solo creators are using AI to build businesses that would have needed millions just a few years ago. A friend of mine, he makes $1 million a year selling 30-second ads, and every ad is
this break time will reduce by half. Here 4 seconds, here we'll do 3 seconds, here we'll do 2 seconds, seconds, here we'll do 2 seconds, here we'll do 3 seconds. I think it's 2. Okay.
Nobody talks about this. But AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams, expensive studios, or years of coding. Right now, solo creators are using AI to build businesses that would have needed millions just a few years ago. A friend of mine, he makes $1 million a year.
There you go. So will we get viral script generator? Athira, did you join late? You get everything I share here. All right. The third step is done real fast. So scripts done, video avatar obviously HeyGen was done, voice avatar we created. Now we'll go ahead and use it in HeyGen. Boom, we'll go to HeyGen, and then we'll go to avatars. And depends on which avatar you use. I'll use Jayant Kumar Padi avatar, the one that I created, and we'll use this one. This white shirt looks really dope on me. So we'll create this in portrait mode. I made it public, don't worry about it, but just don't share it with anyone. It took a lot of my blood, sweat, and tears to get it built. V3, let's say. Okay, all I have to do is go to audio, upload audio, boom, and then let it upload. I think my internet is slow, that's why this is taking a lot of time, but legit, it doesn't even take like this much. Fantastic. Now we'll click on generate. We'll click on V3. Agent watermark is off. Submit. And then we will wait for the video to get ready. So we literally start at like 2:30 p.m. See how fast we create videos. This is my favorite thing about this. Our agent is done, and now we just got to download this. Let me just see how it looks like.
Nobody talks about this. But AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams, expensive studios, or years of coding.
This is so accurate. Oh my god, this is like insane. Holy fuck. All right, now I downloaded this. Then we go to Submagic. We'll first generate captions. We'll drag and drop, and we'll keep it as is. How's the CapCut? So CapCut apparently is good. Not apparently, it's really good, but apparently they have some sort of terms and conditions that every video that is being edited with CapCut, they have all rights to use your face in their for their own AI training or stuff, which is why it's getting a lot of lag from a lot of the people. All right, let's see how this goes.
Nobody talks about this, but AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams, expensive studios, or years of coding. Right now, solo creators are using AI to build businesses that would have needed millions just a few years ago. A friend of mine, he makes $1 million a year selling 30-second ads, and every ad is AI generated end to end. Another built
I
a
like this
tiny
one.
app that adds realistic skin texture to photos. Simple idea. $30,000 a month. What does this show? You don't need to build the next dot. You just need a small problem,
I like
plus the
this
right
one.
AI tool. It's like the early days of gold mining.
All right,
Except
let's nobody
now,
talks
the
about
picks and
this.
shovels are AI apps.
AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams, expensive studios, or years of coding. Right now, solo creators are using AI to build businesses that have needed millions. Just a few years ago, a friend of mine, just a few years ago, 1 minute 30 second ads, and every ad is AI generated. 1 million sounds like too big. Another built a tiny app that adds realistic skin texture to photos. Simple idea, $30,000 a month. So here we should probably add a line break, split into a light line, and then line break I can remove. Okay, then how do I change this? Okay, what is this? You don't need to build the next dot. What do I mean by dot? What was the original thing? Oh, Facebook. I think I don't know why it's Facebook. What did I say here? Let me see.
Show. You don't need to build the next dot.
I really
You
hope.
just need a small
I think the word Facebook might have triggered some copywriting stuff.
problem, plus the right AI tool. It's like the early days of gold mining. Except now, the picks and shovels are AI apps, and anyone can
Beautiful.
use them.
This is fantastic. Now what we will do, we can add some background audio. Okay, let's say add music. Uh, uh, let's see how this sounds like now.
Nobody talks about this, but AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams,
This is the music.
expensive
I
studios,
thought we
or
added the
years of
music.
code.
Okay. There's a little bit of background music.
Right
Nice.
now,
So now let's go to first save it, and now we'll go to B-roll and see if we can add some B-rolls, empty office spaces. a robot employee. And this. Can you use something like this? Gold mining. There you go. Let's see how this looks like the final product. It's kind of okay, but not the best. Obviously, if I had more time, I would create better B-rolls than this.
Nobody talks about this, but AI is going to change everything in business. Forget big teams, expensive studios, or years of coding. Right now, solo creators are using AI to build businesses that would have needed millions just a few years ago. A friend of mine, he makes $1 million a year selling 30-second ads, and every ad is AI generated end to end. Another built a tiny app that adds realistic skin texture to photos. Simple idea. $30,000 a month. What does this show? You don't need to build the next dog.
And now I can feel the audio is like very high. I'll make it like 13%.
You just need a small problem, plus the right AI tool. It's like the early days of gold mining. Except now, the picks and shovels are AI apps, and anyone can use them.
This is so much better. See, lips not in sync, really?
Nobody talks about this, but AI is going to
they're in sync. Maybe it's my internet.
Change everything in business. Simple idea. $30,000 a month.
No, they are pretty much in sync. It might be my internet that might be fluctuating.
Plus the right AI tool. It's like the early days
It
of
seems
gold
pretty
mining.
good. All right. Maybe because of my internet right on the mobile hotspot, right? All right. So we are good. What we can do? Let's click on export, and we got boom. Took us 30 minutes. Probably it doesn't take this long, by the way. Maybe because you need probably a faster Wi-Fi. It uses your computer as like a base to build the video. So yeah, there you go. This is the whole workflow of creating this AI content. So all you need to do, by the way, if you notice, the only qualitative parameter, the only thing that determines a good or bad quality in this entire process is the script that you added, right? Which is why that viral script writer tool is a good tool to start with. Do not use it as is. Use that as like a brick or like the base, and on top of that you edit that particular script that you get, make it better, make it sound more like you, and then obviously you go ahead and use the rest of the workflow to create videos like this. Imagine creating a video every 30 minutes. Like if you sat on a weekend, the entire week's worth of content would be ready using this tools, right? How awesome is that? So that's the whole workflow, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer. How do you ask? Alright folks, that is the entire video. I think that's about 1 hour 45 minutes long. I hope it's not too long and hope it's crisp enough for you to understand. You can obviously download it and see it, not download it per se, but exactly see it in parts so that you can easily consume it. And I hope it allows you to create like a workflow around creating AI video clones of yourself. If it did help, drop a comment in the comments below, hit subscribe, make me famous, and I love that, so that I can keep creating more and more videos like this and keep bringing in a lot of value that could help you. All right, so yeah, it's 12 a.m. in the night, and I hope you appreciate it, and I keep bringing in more and more such tutorial to your doorstep. And ciao.